Hello, my Cancerians. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you're doing good and are safe wherever you are. My Cancerians, like always, we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of June. Please note that it's a collective reading, so it might not resonate with all. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. Also, you would want to go and check your other placements like Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus in your charts. Let's quickly get started with your reading. Cancerians, this month I have tried a different kind of spread. So I am pulling three energies for you, which is called situation, action and outcome. Okay, so to save the time, I have already shuffled your cards and kind of laid your cards down. One thing that I would like to tell you guys is that while shuffling your cards this time, I could see I could experience the confidence. Okay. I did not feel that I'm burdened about anything, or like I am stressed about anything. I was just at ease with myself. Okay, that was the dominant energy while meditating over your cards. Okay, so yeah, let's quickly go through your cards. In your situation, guys, there is the first cards that came out were Two of Cups and Hanged Man. Okay, one more thing, Cancerians, it's very dominantly you have pulled lot of water and earth energy. Okay, so lot of cups kept on falling down. Initially I think Ace of Cups had fallen down, but I just kept it back in the deck and shuffled again. But I am sure that some of you are headed for some new beginnings. A new offer is coming your way. Someone is offering you something new in terms of relationship or in terms of job. It might be a partnership that someone wants to get into with you, or it might be a love affair, it might be a relationship offer, and this kind of has left you a little confused, like you're not able to make up your mind, you're not able to decide whether or not you want to go with it, like you're kind of confused. And probably I feel that some of you, it's your ego that is playing a key role here, that your ego is kind of keeping you from accepting this offer. But for sure someone is headed towards you. Again, like I said, this is your energy. Sorry guys. Chariot, someone is headstrong towards you, and wanting to offer you this cup, or this relationship, this new partnership or new beginning or new job, whatever applies to you guys. Someone has really has made that offer. Now it is you who is like sitting in this confused energy, thinking all sort of things. Probably you are kind of indulging in some ego games, mind games. Don't do that. Just take that leap of faith, because I think it's a call for new beginnings for you guys. Let me quickly show you your the cards in the proposed or the suggested action by the divine. One very beautiful card that just popped out was Ace of Swords. So for sure you guys are headed for some new beginnings. The Ace of Swords was clarified by Eight of Pentacles and King of Cups. For a group of you, I feel that someone here is like really opening up, and they're offering their love to you. This king is like really offering you his love. Wants to be with you, wants to have that relationship with you, but I think you are more focused on your work. You are like, no, I mean, you are like, no, I want to concentrate on my career, I just want to focus on my career right now, and you are not able to take that decision. So the advice would be, along with your career, guys, just think things through, this might be, this relationship, or this whatever this offer is coming your way, even if it is for in terms of relationship, or even if it is in terms of your career, it is a new beginning, it's a brand new beginning that the universe is trying to offer to you. So just pay attention, don't be self engrossed, don't be just too tied up with your own notions, don't be adamant and don't be stubborn. Just just um, just go with the flow, accept whatever the universe is trying to offer to you, be open to receiving this new beginnings, if it is in terms of your love life, or if it is in terms of your career, just be receptive and open towards receiving these new beginnings, is what I can see the universe is trying to suggest you. In the possible, in the possible outcome, there was Queen of Cups in reverse, okay, and there was Six of Pentacles, okay. So there are two things, like some of you are like quite I really feel that some of you are quite focused on building your career, you're just too focused on materialistic aspects of life. So you need to strike that balance, you are not taking care of, you are not paying heed to the emotions of people. Probably this can be you yourself as well, like this is a cups, like Queen of Cups in reverse, as in you are not taking proper care of yourself, you are like too much engrossed in your work, or achieving your targets, achieving your goals, or achieving whatever milestones that you have set for yourself, and you are not balancing the things out, you're too focused, you are just looking at one aspect of life. So the call is that you should strike a balance, just try to strike a balance. This king is offering his cup, and you're just closing, you're just being closed, and you're just being kind of shrewd, and you're not paying attention to the emotions of the person, or even your own emotions, you're just being too like you're just being unidirectional and not paying attention. So please try to strike balance. For some of you, I can see that there is a give and take of money involved. You might be doing some charity work, you might be involved in some charity work, or probably you might have borrowed or lent money to someone, give and take of some kind of help, in terms of money or otherwise also, okay. That is for a group of people. Also the cards that were clarified for your possible outcome are Two of Swords, okay, Three of Wands. Now this is a very interesting combination that we have got. I would like to talk about it in some time. Queen of Cups again, okay, Chariot again, okay, Chariot again, very interesting. Like there is a lot of movement going on in your life, guys. Expect a lot of movement, a lot of stuck work will gain momentum, and you'll get that kind of communication, though that opportunity that you have been waiting for, and you will be in this king of wands energy. You will be in this energy of a very confident and a very passionate person, passionate about their work, passionate about their relationships, so this is the kind of energy that you'll be donning soon. And expect a lot of movement, like someone is headstrong towards you, guys. There's no doubt about it. Whatever it was you were waiting for, or whatever the confusion was there, like you, if you are currently in this hangman situation, you're not able to decide anything, you're not able to make up your decision, but that is going to change soon. And the fact that you are waiting for your ships to come through, so that is going to change. You are going to get your things rolling, you will gain whatever it is stuck, it's going to gain momentum. You're going to get those beginnings, you're going to get those new offer, whatever it is that you are waiting for, it is just going to come through. And for most of you, I think this can be the offer, the job offer that you are looking for, because like I said, there is a lot of earth energy involved, there is a lot of materialistic energy involved here, as well as emotion. So there are clearly two different kind of people. Some people are going to make progress in terms of relationship, and some people are going to make sure progress in terms of their career as well. The overall energy, guys, is again very interesting. It's again earth energy, king of pentacles, knight of pentacles. Very interesting, guys. You've got a very interesting combination. Ace of pentacles. See, so there sure and for sure there are new beginnings. You're going to get that new job offer, you're going to get that new business opportunity, the new relationship, whatever it is, you are headed for new beginnings. For some of you, this is related to this is related to marriage also. You're going to meet your soulmate, guys, and that is going to lead to marriage also for a few of you. But for the dominant energy I see is in terms of career. You are going to get that new opportunity, the new job opening, or it's going to be materialistically fulfilling period for you. Like there is a lot of abundance that I can see, a lot of new things happening in your life, and it's going to be a materialistically enriching period for you guys. Though the energy is slow moving, because the king of pentacles and the knight of pentacles is a very slow moving energy. So you might feel that oh, my things are just not progressing, the things are just not moving. But no, that's not the case. Things are very much progressing. That offer is very much headed your way. Everything is happening the way it is, and just be assured that whatever changes are going to come, they are going to be for long term. This job is going to be there for it's going to be it's a sustainable opportunity. It will last for like couple of years. And if it's in terms of relationship, it's going to be a long term relationship. So all good things take time, guys. But the thing is, they are going to be like enriching, fulfilling, abundant opportunities. So just be patient, don't be impatient, be patient, be kind, be emotional, pay attention to your emotions as well as the professional aspects of your life. Strike that balance. Let's quickly see what message we have from the divine for you for this month. The spirit, kids, guardian angels, just give me one message. There are two messages. I'll take both the cards since they have just popped out. The first card says a personal issue reaches resolution. Okay. And the second card says step out of your comfort zone. So probably whatever opportunity is coming your way, it might require you, or it might ask you to just step out of your comfort zone and take that leap of faith, or that just take that leap, just take that risk and just go for it, that kind of message I'm getting. So let me just quickly read these two cards for you. One is step out of your zone. Let me read that first. Yeah, so the card says there's a strong feeling when you get this card that it's time to leave the past behind somehow, because you are headed in the right direction. If you want to be happy and fulfilled, you need to get going towards doing the thing that scares you within reason. This card is all about living your life purpose, which is possibly what you have asked about. It's urging you to dare to do something different with your life and your direction. to take action. So, are you willing to follow through and lead the life you incarnated to live? If you finally find the courage to make the leap, there's a good chance you'll come to ask yourself, why did I wait so long? Yeah, so just take that leap, guys. Just take that risk. Attuned to the moon, I know I'm headed in the right direction. Additional meanings for this card are you're headed for something which feels like destiny. You need to face a fear and get over it. Time to stop obsessing about someone or something. Stand on your own 2 feet. You have got this. The teaching, the north node is where the moon crosses the elliptic going north. It's a karmic point, and on the horoscope chart shows us what we need to do and where we need to go with our life to find satisfaction, fulfillment, and happiness. The north node is the karmic astrological point that reminds us, to paraphrase Andre Gide, that in order to discover new oceans, we have to be prepared. We have to be prepared to lose sight of the shore. Yeah, that's a beautiful message. Like, you need to take that risk sometimes, there's another card for you, full moon in Cancer, again in your energy. Let me quickly read that card also to you guys. Yeah, so it says, yeah, the message was a personal issue reaches resolution. Okay, things are likely to get very heated as full moon in Cancer is a super emotional sign. So there could be something of an explosion of feelings around now or surrounding your question. It's important to be sensitive to other people when you pull this card. Yeah. So no wonder you have got Queen of Cups in reverse. That's what I was telling you guys. You are not being sensitive to other people's feelings. You are like just too kind of self-obsessed or self-focused or career-minded or whatever, like one-track mind, and you're not paying heed to other people's emotions. So the card is saying it's important to be sensitive to other people when you pull this card. There are some very fine sensibilities around, so treat carefully as you move towards your goals or dreams. This card indicates an especially feminine time. It also heralds the time to deal with any family issues coming up. Nothing to worry about. It signals the challenge is now coming to an end. This card also suggests both that a domestic matter or private issue will soon come to a head, and that it's a great time to move house. The answer to your question lies in being a kind leader. Yeah. This is the time for you to step up and agree to overcome your insecurities. Attuned to the moon, it may be best to move towards what you want in a sideways manner. Additional meanings for this card are meditate to soothe heightened emotions. Yeah, so the call for balance. Just try to meditate if you can, guys. This card is what I'm talking about. Don't be clingy. Stop sulking. Have you had enough family time lately? The teaching of this card is the heightened emotions of the moon Cancer combination can't be ignored. However, Cancer is one of the moon's two home signs along with Taurus. So astrologically speaking, the moon loves to be in this sign. In fact, she rules Cancer. This means that with this card there's a sense that all is as it should be, or don't worry, all will soon be well. Wow, that was a lovely message, you guys. Let me quickly pull one last message for you. Up. Playtime. Interesting. I like this card. It says the dolphins know the importance of playing, as joy creates miracles and manifestation. So don't be overstressed, guys. Those who are working really, really hard, I think this is for them. Just have some playtime also. It's very much required. So let me quickly read this. This card indicates that you have been straining and working too hard, and that you have lost your original focus. You are striving more out of habit than out of a clear direction. The dolphins asks you to stop and divert your attention through silliness and non-competitive play. Any kind of playfulness will shake up your ruts and routines and allow you to regain perspective on what is important and what is not. Playing is a magical form of meditation, as it opens your heart chakra and allows your creative spirit to tap into divine wisdom. If your playfulness involves outdoor physical activity, the extra oxygen will also spark new ideas for you. Wow, I really liked the reading, you guys. I hope you liked it too. It was a very clean and clear sort of reading. No confusions, no ambiguity. You guys are surely headed for new beginnings professionally and or personally. Okay. So I'll leave it at that, guys. If you have not already shared to my channel, subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be informed of the about the next upload. Also, do not forget to let me know what you think about this reading. Whatever it is, you can let me know through the comments, and I shall definitely take a note of that. Okay. So please like, share, subscribe if you like this reading, and good luck to all of you, whoever it resonates with. Okay, so bye, stay safe, see you.